Well, there's the problem. The muffler's separated from the pipe. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm in the shop. I do have to get a transmission in this Duster. My Challenger's sitting tight for the winter, but today we're going to work on 2014 all-wheel drive Charger RT. I got an exhaust leak. I'm going to see if I can fix that. So let's get this thing up on the lift. Well, there's the problem. The muffler's separated from the pipe, and I'm going to use one of these band clamps. See if I could patch it up. It should be welded, or honestly I think it needs to be replaced. So it's pretty loud. So see if we can make that a little bit quieter. Now if I capture it on this 360 camera, we'll see. So yeah, it's pretty bad. Kind of needs a whole exhaust. I measured the pipes, and then I bought a clamp I thought would fit, and the measurements seemed to be off when I measured this with the caliper. So I don't know. Amazon, whatever. If I can at least hold it together so it's got some support. Well, it might make it. It's gonna have a leak. I might have to cut a piece of sheet steel, or I could just tighten it up and not really worry about it. Let's try that. Well, that's not perfect. It's close enough for now. Fire it up and see what it sounds like. Well, if you're still watching, I sure appreciate it. Like, subscribe, all those YouTube things. Just a reminder, taking the Jure Racing Duster to Sick Week in Florida. That's February 1. And counting down, get things ready. Pretty quick and easy repair on the Charger. Got an extra clamp. Probably going to do the other side. It'll get me by until I get an exhaust on it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.